Good evening, students. Now we are going to see about the rational expression. Rational number we already know, P by Q form. The same format by using the polynomial. P is a one polynomial, Q is a one polynomial. So fraction format of your polynomial is called as a rational expression. Expression is a rational expression if it can be written in the form of P of x by Q of x. P of x, Q of x means both is a polynomial, right? So P of x and Q of x are the polynomial. So same Q of x is not equal to 0 and a rational polynomial is the ratio of two polynomials. We already know ratio should be in a fraction form. So that's why it's called as a ratio of the two polynomials they mentioned. So like this, for the example they given like this. So reduction of the polynomial is nothing but if you are having a two polynomial, your GCD. So whatever factor you have cancelled, balance value should be GCD of that polynomial equal to 1. The balance value should be, GCD value should be 1. That's only they mention. For example, they mention x minus 3 by, in the before that is nothing. So factorize the numerators as well as denominators. So what are the common factor numerators denominator? We are going to cancel. The previous exercise same only. So then, so resulting expression should be low form. So whether that GCD is 1 or not, that's only they are asking. So they reduce the rational expression towards a low form. So x minus 3, x square minus 9. We already know a minus b the whole square formula. So a plus b into a minus b. So what you have x minus 3 will get cancelled. So 1 by x plus 3. So obviously we are having GCD of this. So in this place 1, in this place also 1. So obviously the GCD of P of x and Q of x should be 1. Okay, there is no common fact. So if you have a common only, we can take that. But no common mean without any common factor means that GCD equal to 1. We already studied in your lower classes. The same format x square minus 16. So x square plus 8x plus 16. So 16. So middle should be means 8 means so 2 6 are. So I already told if your coefficient of x square, quadratic equation coefficient x square is 1 means you are directly write x plus that term. Okay, this also okay. Oh, sorry, wrong, right? So 4 4s are I can write. I can write the middle term is 8. Okay, 2 6 are 12, right? So 4 4s are only 8. So I can take. So what you have? X plus 4 into x plus 4. So both the terms are whole square. Okay, don't worry about this. You can write directly. This is a minus b the whole square. So a square minus b square format. So a plus b into a minus b. So this will get cancelled. So x minus 4. Then x plus 4 is a balance. Excluded value. Excluded value is nothing but you are going to put your denominator equal to 0 means that's become undefined term. That's only excluded value. A value that makes a rational expression undefined. So you are going to, so what is a rational expression? It's not equal to 0, but in excluded value the Q of x equal to 0. That is a major part. So they mention. So going to lower form. Okay, the rational expression in its lower form says P of x by Q of x. So your denominator of Q of x equal to 0 means exclusive. Rational expression means not equal to 0, but exclusive term is equal to 0. That's the difference between both the term. So we are having x plus 10 by 8x. So what is the possibility to get to a denominator 0? That's only. So I am taking is undefined. When it is undefined, my x value equal to 0 only I am getting undefined. Therefore my excluded value is equal to 0. I already did exercise sum, but so we are having a unexclusive terms also. So the third question, listen, x by x square plus 1. So asking find the excluded term. So x square is greater than or equal to 0. Don't worry about this. So what you do? X square plus 1 equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 means, so obviously, so x is equal to what you have? Root of minus 1. So it's not a undefined. In your 11th standard, in you having a root is a negative means plus or minus I. In 11th standard we will study. So no worry about this. So up to this is enough. So what you have? If you put x is a 0, so equal to 1. If you put whatever value, 1 also 2. So whatever value you give in this place, we are getting some terms. So therefore it is not a exclusive value. In this equation it's not a exclusive value. Whatever term you give, So if you give a minus 1 also, it's become a positive. So it's not an exclusive term. Okay. So in the first question, what they given x square minus 1 by x square plus x. So what I am going to do? What they are asking? Rational expression means going to neglecting the factors. So minus 1 square by x is common, x plus 1. So a minus b, a square minus b square. Say a plus b into a minus b. Division of x into x plus 1. So cancelling this, what I am getting? X minus 1 by x. There is no common. So your GCD is 1. So this is the rational lower form. Then the same next sum. And so what you have? X square minus 11x plus 18 by, there is a second in first. Okay. So x square minus 4x plus 4. We already know your factorization. So first term and last term. So 18. So 18 means how many time it will come? 2 9s are, I will try 2 9s are. So I am having, so positive, but your middle is a negative. So minus into minus plus 18. So minus, so I am having 11. So what is the factorization of this? So if your factor is 1 means you can directly write minus 2 x minus 9 division of. So I am factorized this. So 4, 1 into 4, 4. So 2 2s are I am getting. So minus into minus only I am getting a plus. Middle is a negative, that's why. So minus 2 x minus 2. This and this will get cancelled. What you are having? X minus 9 by x minus 2. So this is your rational. Same thing third and fourth. I already sent the notes. Right. The same the second sum. They ask find the excluded value. So you are going to equalize your denominator equal to 0. That's only and. So I am taking y by y square minus 25. What is the possibility I am having undefined? So y by y square minus 5 square. So what I am getting? Y by y minus 5 into y plus 5. A plus b into a minus b format. So we are going to get. So whenever it is undefined, when it is undefined, my y minus 5, y plus 5 equal to 0. So y equal to plus 5 minus 5. If you are equating y minus 5 equal to 0 means y equal to 5. If y plus 5 equal to 0 means y equal to minus 5. So I am having two terms. So y equal to, if you substitute this, if you put y equal to 5 means 5 minus 5 0. 0 into anything is 0. So minus 5 you put means minus 5 plus 5 0. 0 into any number is 0. So therefore the exclusive value is 5 minus 5. Same for this and this. Okay.